ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Northeastern Police Academy haka arpuai tarik unai weng arjar arpulai kalapan ko buram ya ki laispa hinyo ngut ki Officer Pulit bakantup ya ki Deputy Superintendent of Police bat ki Sub Inspector ki badai naga jala Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura bat Nagaland hadien bakila Pyndep ya ki Jingshah Hikai Pyntbit hapok kane ka Academy. Kini ki laispa hinyo ngut ki kantup ya ki prapu arngut ki Deputy Superintendent bat arspa khandai pesan ngut ki Sub Inspector kata laispa laipuwai ngut na Assam, khandai ngut na Arunachal Pradesh, prangut na Mizoram, arpuwai ngut na Tripura bat prangut na kejala Nagaland. Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma ulalong ukongsan hagani gasngi rengkat ke Jingshah lang jong Director ke Northeast Police Academy ubala penbam smai ya gini ki Officer hakapala sakhi lang da ki bahiyeng hasem jong gini ki Officer bat ki wei.
He also initiated work on North Pulit and which are now in various stages of implementation. It was under his leadership. Had his early schooling at Balya Bhavan, Jorhat and Kamrup Academy, Guwahati. In 1985, he joined the prestigious Cotton College from where he passed his higher secondary.
है के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा एवं निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की संप्रभुता एवं अखंडता को अक्षुण्ण बनाए रखूंगा। मैं विधिवत और विश्वासपूर्वक अपनी सर्वोत्तम क्षमताओं, ज्ञान और निर्णय के अनुसार सौंपे गए कर्तव्यों का पालन करूंगा।
नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं पुलिस उप निरीक्षक राजेश शर्मा।
Platoon number 6 is commanded by cadets.
असम पुलिस के प्रशिक्षु उप-अधीक्षक परीक्षित लाहौर। पहले प्लाटून में कुल 40 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी शामिल हैं।
This is a moment of pride and accomplishment, and you all are going to cherish this moment all throughout your life. I extend my warm congratulations to you all. I compliment all those who have won medals and trophies at this passing out parade. It is a recognition of your hard work and dedication in the various areas of training. I also congratulate the proud parents and the family members of all the trainees who have come out here to witness today's passing out parade. মই সকলো ক্যাডেটৰ পিতৃ মাতৃক অভিনন্দন জনাইছোঁ আৰু এই গৌৰৱৰ মুহূৰ্তত আপোনালোকৰ আনন্দৰ সৈতে ময়ো সমভাগী হৈছোঁ। मैं सारे कैडेट्स का अपने पिता माताओं को अभिनंदन व्यक्त करता हूं और आप लोगों का त्यागों के लिए मैं आप लोगों को भी नमन और वंदन करता हूं. Indoor and outdoor faculty members and the entire team of Nepa fraternity for successfully training such a large number of trainee officers. The Northeastern Police Academy has a glorious legacy. Established in 1978 on the recommendation of the National Committee on Police Training, headed by Dr. M.S. Gore, this prestigious institute since then has been creating to the police training requirement of the northeastern state. The academy is mandated to impart basic training to the directly recruited Deputy Superintendent of Police and Sub-Inspectors of the northeastern state. It is indeed commendable that Nepa has trained more than 5,000 trainees on the basic course so far. I am happy to know that besides basic course, Nepa has also conducted various in-service courses on specialized subjects for the police personnel on various ranks across the country, in which around 28,000 personnel of various ranks have participated from all over the country and abroad till date. During the 52nd basic course, the Academy has trained 377 Deputy Superintendents and Sub-Inspectors of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, of which 276 are men and 101 lady trainee officers. The trainees have been given in-depth knowledge of law, social science, police science, subjects including cyber crimes, drill, weapons, physical trainings and police operation. The trainees of the 52nd basic course will also be awarded with the postgraduate diploma in police administration and investigation by the Sardar Patel University of Police, Security and Criminal Justice, Jodhpur. I appreciate the Nepa authorities that during the training they have given more